Hello everyone! First of all, I'm here in my backyard enjoying another beautiful spring day. But I would like to share with you my new adventure. If you're curious, let me tell you, a lot of fun is coming my way. I am going to be dishing the dirt across Canada. It's been in the making for a very long time, but I'm finally ready and getting it together, and I will be hitting the road soon. So dishing the dirt across Canada is all about conversation, open conversation with actually housekeepers and their clients. I'll be listening to both sides, have been on both sides, and I know the challenges and the misunderstanding that often happens. So this tour across Canada is all about the conversation between the two. If you're curious, check out my website, domesticgoddesshousekeeping.com, or if you would like to have a conversation with me about housekeeping, let me know. In the meantime, enjoy the weather.